Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform repairs safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. The ignition coil is a small engine component mounted alongside the engine's flywheel with a wire that is attached to the spark plug. The flywheel has permanent magnets built into it, and as it rotates past the ignition coil, a magnetic field is created. The magnetic field induces electricity, allowing the ignition coil to send a high-voltage pulse to the spark plug, which ignites the fuel to start and run the engine. Ignition coils can be found on all lawn and garden equipment that use small engines to operate, from mowers and snow blowers to handheld products like chainsaws, leaf blowers, and string trimmers. A malfunctioning ignition coil can prevent the engine from starting. You can use an ignition tester to help determine if the ignition coil is faulty and will need to be replaced. Ignition coils are usually unique to each product type and will often vary depending on the model. You should enter the full model number of your equipment in our website search bar to find the specific ignition coil you need. Before you attempt to replace the ignition coil, you should confirm that the equipment's engine has cooled. Next, remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. You will need to remove the starter or engine housing to reach the ignition coil, although additional disassembly may be required depending on the product and model. For some handheld equipment, you may need to remove the clutch and other components as well. Once you've accessed the ignition coil, disconnect the wire from the coil. Make sure the flywheel magnets are rotated out of the way. Then unthread the mounting screws, bolts, or posts to release the coil. Pull the old coil free. When installing a new ignition coil, be aware you may need to transfer the wire boot, terminal spring, or other components from the old coil to the new one. Now align the new ignition coil on the engine and thread the mounting screws loosely. Pull the coil back and tighten the screws. Insert a business card between the coil and flywheel, then rotate the flywheel so the magnets align with the coil. Loosen the screws to align the coil the correct distance from the flywheel. Retighten the screws and remove the card. Connect the ignition coil wire. Replace the starter or engine housing, or complete the additional reassembly as required. With the product fully reassembled, reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your lawn and garden equipment should be ready for use.